I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the device and targeting the element you want to access. Once in position, use one finger to perform a steady long press for about 1 second. This imitates a right click on desktop. Make sure your finger doesn't slide, and avoid lifting too soon because many interfaces require a full press duration to open the context menu. If the app supports it, you'll see a menu or selection highlight appear, which means you can proceed to choose an option. Once the context menu appears, scan options and understand what each does. For example, open in new tab versus save or share. Then lift your finger and tap the desired option. This prevents accidental activation of the wrong command. For text, long press to enter selection mode, then drag the handles to adjust the range. That's how you copy or look up words. If multiple menus are available, some apps use submenus. Tap to expand, and then choose the final action. To complete the workflow, verify the action. Open tabs, saved files, or clipboard contents to ensure the right-click equivalent worked. If nothing happened, try again with firmer contact or a slightly longer press. Some screens require more pressure. You can also use alternative gestures or app-specific menu buttons if long press is disabled. If problems persist, restart the app, check gesture or accessibility settings to enable context menus, and then repeat the long press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.